New to command prompt? Don't worry, you don't need to be a Windows expert to use it. CMD lets you manage files, check your system, troubleshoot problems, and run useful commands with simple text. In this beginner's guide, I'll cover the basics you actually need to get started. Start by opening Windows Search and typing Command Prompt or CMD. Click the app to open it. You'll see a line showing your current location, followed by a blinking cursor. This is where you enter commands. Press Enter after typing a command to run it. Let's start with navigation. Type dir and press Enter to see the files and folders in your current location. To move into another folder, use cd followed by the folder name. For example, cd documents. To move back one level, type cd ... Yeah, these are some of the first commands worth remembering. CMD can also manage folders. Use mkdir followed by a name to create a new folder. For example, mkdir projects. To remove an empty folder, use rmdir projects. Be careful with deletion commands, especially when working with important files. For basic file management, use copy to duplicate a file, move to transfer it, and ren to rename it. For example, copy report.txt backup copies a file into a backup folder. You can use these commands instead of opening multiple File Explorer windows. CMD is also useful for checking windows. Type IPCONFIG to view network information, SYSDMINFO for detailed system information, or TASKLISD to see running processes. These commands are especially useful when you're troubleshooting a computer. You don't need to memorize every command. Type the command followed by /? to see its built-in help. For example, IPCONFIG /? displays information about its available options. You can also type help to see a list of many available CMD commands. And that's the foundation of command prompt. Start with navigation, file management, and a few system commands, then explore more as you become comfortable. Remember, CMD is powerful, so always understand a command before using it. So take it one command at a time, and you'll get the hang of it.